Okay, Bismillah. So, this is the new chapter we'll do a bit today. Oaths, okay? Qasam. Qasam. So, like in any language, you use oath to stress a point. Yes,
Yes.
to be emphatic. Maybe someone is doubting you, someone is refuting you, right? Then you use
Mhm.
oaths basically. Otherwise, you don't use oaths, right? In normal statement, you don't just suddenly call Allah's name like that. Yes? Okay. So, what are the parts to an oath? It's a bit like a shard also. Okay. So you
Uh-huh.
have the jumlah qasam, the oath itself, which we have tools to use, adatul qasam, and we have the object of the oath, muqsam bih.
Okay.
Okay.
Muksambi.
Yes, muqsam bih. Try to remember this one, this term, because we'll need it in most Arab. We will need it.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then after that, of course, when you take an oath, then you cannot just stop there, right? Imagine you
Yes.
say, Wallahi. Wallahi what? You have to finish your sentence, so you need the jawabul qasam. Yes,
Mm.
okay. This one you don't have to remember. Muqsam alaihi, you don't have to remember. We don't use this, okay? We just use jawabul qasam, basically. Okay?
Okay.
So that's the parts to the oath. So originally, the sentence structure is to use a fi'il qasam and then
Mm.
use half jar ba and then put your muksambih with the jar and then after that your jawab. Okay, so you
Oh.
say, for example, uqsimu billahi something. I swear to Allah, right? I swear by Allah what I am going to what. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
but the Arabs obviously they we know this by now they they're used to omitting stuff to make things brief, right? So a lot of times they actually omit the fi'il also.
Mm.
Okay? But there's conditions for that. So here comes our adatul qasam. We have three. We have wow, we have ba, we have ta.
Mm.
Ba is the default, right? Uqasimu bi. So this is the default. So here going from a less emphatic to most emphatic. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so ta is most emphatic. Wow is lesser, basically. Okay, so ba is the default. That one you have to remember. Ba is the default. Okay, so unlike ba, the fi'il qasam must be omitted when waw or ta is used. So if you say wallahi or tallahi, you don't say with uksimu.
Mm.
Uqsimu, you can say you must use be. If you use the
Mm.
fi'il, you use be. You don't say uqsimu wa or uqsimu ta. You don't say this. Okay?
So
You can
I
only
have I have heard using, Arabs when they are in like really angry, then
mm-hmm.
they use kasam with ba, yeah. Kasam billahi, this is how they say it.
Yes. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. So uqsimu, if they use that, be. Okay?
Yeah.
But if they use just wallahi or tallahi, then drop the
Mm-hmm.
qasam. Drop
Mm-hmm.
the
Yeah.
fi'il, sorry. Drop the
Fail,
fi'il.
yes. Uh-huh.
Yes. Okay? Then, unlike ba, again, wow
Mm.
and ta, you cannot use with a command. Okay? So, for example, you can say, Billahi unsurni. Help me. By Allah, I'm asking you to help me, basically.
Uh-huh.
Okay? But you cannot say, Wallahi unsurni or Tallahi unsurni. You don't
Uh-huh.
use wow or ta. You use ba. Okay? And
Okay.
then the last one is, again, unlike ba, wow and ta, you cannot use it with a domir for the muksambi. So you can say bihi, by him, meaning by Allah, la af'alanna, I will do something. Okay, I will do that.
Mm.
Okay? But you cannot use wahi or tahi. It's not even
Sahi.
nice. Yes, it's bihi only.
Mhm.
Okay? Last thing, the two ta is, I think we know all this. This is the first thing
Yes.
we learn about ta. Yes,
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
only used with lafzu jalalah.
Jalala, yes. Tallahi.
Yes. Okay.
Mhm.
Uh, Maybe one more. The last thing for today. Okay.
Yeah.
The muksambi, the object of the oath, meaning I swear by what, right? For us, we can only take oath by Allah's names and Allah's attributes, right? We
True.
cannot we cannot say anything else. In some cultures, they say like, I swear by my mother's life,
But
by my children's
yes.
life, even by the prophet, maybe. Okay, even by
Mhm.
the prophet, you cannot. You can only
Yes.
take an oath by Allah's name or Allah's attribute. So you can say, by Allah, by the Rob of the Kaaba, by the any of his names, any of his attributes that is found in the Sharia, basically. Okay. But for Allah, obviously, He is our creator.
Yeah.
Only He can take an oath on Himself or any of His creations. So that's why in the Quran, because it is the kalam of Allah, you see a lot of washamsi, wasamai, wal ardi. Yes, He takes
Yes.
oath not only by Himself. Sometimes he does. He also take oaths with many of His creations. Okay.
Mhm.
And so here, the after that we have the answer to the oath.
Mhm.
Yes, the answer to the oath can be jumlah ismiyah or jumlah fi'liyah. Maybe
Okay.
Brother Azizi, can you translate this? Read and translate. Brother Azizi?
والله
Uh-huh.
والله وما أنا بكذاب
Wallahi
والله ما أنا بكذاب
bikadhib.
بكذب and then by Allah I'm not at all
Yes?
disbelief what
Kadhib, liar. A liar.
liar at
Yes.
all
I'm not a liar
liar
at all. Yes.
at all
Because you have ma also with B. Right? Okay?
tiada
Yes. Okay. Yes. Correct. This is Zaidah. Good. And what about this one, Sister Vinita?
Yes, sister. Wallahi lan azawra.
Okay. This is like Qala yakulu. So becomes lan.
So lan is harf nasib, right, sister?
Yes. Correct.
So mm,
Not azau, but
azara,
az azuro.
azura. Okay.
Yes. Family
Azura.
one, zai wauro. Yes.
Okay. Akhi.
Yes.
By Allah, I will never leave my brother.
Azur is from the word ziyara.
Okay. I'll never visit my brother.
Yes, exactly. Okay, I will not visit my brother. Okay, can?
Uh-huh.
Clear? So the
Yes.
answer can be jumlah ismiyah, jumlah fi'liyah. Anything,
Okay.
basically. Okay,
Mhm.
so this is the introduction, basically. And then next week on Tuesday, we'll go into the jumlah qasam and jawabu qasam in detail, inshallah.
Inshallah, sister. Inshallah.
Okay, any
Yes, sister.
questions?
No.
No question? Okay. If no question, then I'll see you on Tuesday, inshallah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilaik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
thank you sis
Jazakillah khair, sister.
Wa iyyakum.